In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to scan a Wi-Fi QR code on your iPhone. This is a quick and easy way to connect to a Wi-Fi network without having to type in the password. Whether you're at a coffee shop, a hotel, or a friend's house, scanning a Wi-Fi QR code is a great way to get online quickly and easily. So without further ado, let's get started. To make it easy to scan the QR code, we need to add a button to the control center. So tap on Settings. Find the option Control Center on the list and tap it. From the list of options, find the option Code Scanner. Tap the plus near that option. Now, Code Scanner is added to your control buttons. When you want to scan a Wi-Fi QR code, just swipe to show the control center. Tap the Code Scanner button. Once you've opened the camera app, point the camera at the Wi-Fi QR code. Make sure that the QR code is centered in the viewfinder and that there is enough light. When your iPhone recognizes the Wi-Fi QR code, a notification will appear at the top of the screen. You'll now be asked to join the Wi-Fi network. Tap on the Join button. Your iPhone will now connect to the Wi-Fi network. Once you're connected, you'll see a checkmark next to the Wi-Fi network name in the Settings app. And that's it. You've now learned how to scan a Wi-Fi QR code on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.